Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be playing some more Gorilla Tag. I found a pretty fun lobby, so let's get right into it. Oh, hello there.
Hello guys, and we're gonna be itching booty holes today.
Okay.
I can basically do any
How are
voice.
you today?
James Charles here. Hey guys.
James Charles.
Guys, one of y'all are going to get me copyrighted.
Hey guys, what voice should I do?
The funniest voice you got.
What's your name, Bernie?
I don't care.
This round will go quick.
What?
A rabbit.
Hey, black monkey, a green monkey.
Yeah, I'm Black Monkey. Huh?
Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
Poop nut. Are you Mexican? Hey, stop screen sniping him.
I'm not streaming, I'm recording, so nobody can stream snipe me.
They're still stream sniping you.
Fortnite Battle Pass.
No one cares.
Got him.
Hey guys, whoever wants
On top of the gazebo, get him.
saying and then a woo anime girl voice, maybe one monkey buck. Come on,
Yeah.
Poop nuts.
Here's one monkey
Poop
ball.
nut cheese.
Ready?
Did you say poop nut cheese?
No, what?
What in the... Watch out. Lava monkey's up at ramps. He's coming down. He's coming down. Run, 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 run.
I'm trying to figure out how to climb this.
Oh, shoot. Adjust, adjust. And up. I knew it. Time to be monkey, monkey, monkey. Oh, there's no branches there. I did a dumb. Got him.
No, okay, listen.
Do you surrender?
Nah. I don't
Okay, I guess I'll just have to get you then.
I'm pink and I'm proud.
Fortnite Battle Pass.
You're gay.
I'm proud to be pink. Come on, Drake.
Dude, I just lagged so hard right there. You would have been so dead by now.
I'm scared.
Get him, boy. Yeah!
You're a mean monkey. You're
Nice.
Get over here. Come here.
Mm.
Turn to monkey. You're a mean monkey. Okay?
You're gay monkey.
No, don't say that about me. I'm not gay. I just like men.
So you're gay.
Damn it.
Anybody want a link to my YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Inside Gamer.
I'm gonna go inside.
What?
Just do me a favor, don't watch my first video. I was like 7. I'm 14 now. Woo! Green monkey fell down. Feel it, green monkey. Black monkey on far. Black monkey's under the far platform.
Oh no. Spoil your balls.
My way or the highway. Roger.
Roger that, Roger. Black monkey's on the run. Black monkey's on the run. Get him, get him, get him. Yeah! Oh god.
Please, bro, I just wanted to ask you where you can get my monkey costume.
Shit. I'm dead.
No.
I'm sweating hard right now.
I thought you said that you started yesterday.
I did.
Hey, Daddy,
red hat.
I think that you're very inappropriate.
What makes you think I didn't start yesterday?
Okay?
Pink hat.
Español, parasito.
Where are you?
You want to
Come here. Wait.
Hey!
Stop a second. You think I didn't start yesterday?
Yeah.
He sees me.
I started yesterday night. I mean, I was stopped by some stuff. But why?
You're good for something.
I tagged you.
Where are you going?
What? Hold on, what?
It's just
How in the
Stay still. Stay still. Let me just stay still, okay? I started yesterday. Stay very still.
medium rare. I don't know if you like that or not.
Medium rare. Oh wait, medium rare?
What the frack?
Hey! Bro. Can I
That's not a second. A second is 1 Mississippi.
Oh shoot! Help! Yo, bro.
Oh, fuck.
Well done, it's horrible. Why would you want that?
Yo,
You're dead. You're so dead. You're so dead, my guy. You're so friggin' dead. You're so. Ow! I hit my furniture. You're not dead anymore. Oh, you're so dead. You're so dead. You're so dead. You're so unbelievably dead. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done. You have nowhere to run. Actually, you have a lot of places to run, but whatever.
Rare or medium?
Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall.
I'd rather have medium rare. Yeah, I'm either medium well.
Don't fall, Blue Monkey. I'm stuck on the freaking slide. Jesus.
Okay, listen, my boy.
Ooh.
Listen. Okay, so listen. Alright, so if you tag me, then it will hurt my feelings, okay? I don't want my feelings.
Consider your feelings hurt.
No, I don't want to be tagged though. I don't like that.
Well, no dip. Of course you don't want to be tagged. Oh, you're so dead. You're so unbelievably dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're so dead, dude.
I'm sending your YouTube channel for a run for its money right now, bro.
That's impossible, because I don't make any money yet.
You're so good.
Come on, boy.
Roger. That guy who was just sitting there?
Dude, that's what monkeys got.
I'm counting on you falling, Pink Monkey.
That racially
Damn it.
motivated?
Pink monkeys are bad. No, you're
Where
bad,
did you
Tim.
come from, dude?
I was all the way up there, you fag.
What? You're good.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Come down here.
Yeah, don't be a wimp, Pink.
Bad.
Come on, Pink.
I mean, he's quite good. I told you.
Suck up them balls and come down here.
I'm sorry that I'm bad.
Alright, can someone ask me?
Green's wall jumping stump.
Where's he?
You.
Oh, pink!
Oh, wait, you missed him. Come on, cowboy.
Oh, monkey. I missed both of them. I
You're quite
green. Green.
He's gonna wall bounce. He's gonna bounce backwards on the branch. Yep.
So sprinters, all you do is you run from branch to branch.
You think I'm not prepared? Oh wait, purple, come here. Purple,
Everybody knows what branching is. They just don't know how to do it.
I'm down here, all the way down here.
I know how to do it.
No, like new beginners. They know what branching is. They just don't know how to do it. Nice, dude.
Wait.
Chris, people who put their thumbs up after you get told, it's just they're just putting their thumbs up very impressive.
How are you doing that? I'm the only lava.
Well, no dip. We literally just started.
How are you guys getting up these two walls?
I kind of want to get to that.
How are you doing that?
3. Yo. Okay, that took 5.
Get away from me, you scary man.
2.
Lava monkey, tag me.
No, don't leave. Tag me. Jump
Four.
out.
Okay, four.
Lava, the only lava monkeys in Stump.
Guys, we took him 1 second. There we go.
How do you guys climb those glasses?
Tag me, please. Thank you.
Wait, can you teach me how to walk?
Come on.
No.
No, you
Dan, can you teach me how to branch?
Don't for your rest included, and I know you did not just start with.
Everybody watch out. Red Hat's lava. We're all screwed.
Why are you so good? Okay,
How
here's
is
what
everyone
happened.
Hey,
flying
hey,
up
Green.
these walls?
I think we should start a
Green.
protest at the slide.
Hold on. I need the special sauce, you know? Let me just finish here.
Wait,
Ooh, okay, I'm smeared in special sauce. Here you go.
how do you guys climb these two walls?
Oh.
Yo, what? Someone tell me how to do that. I can't get up them.
What code
I
are you?
saw it.
What happened? What happened? What happened?
How are you doing that?
No, what happened?
Nothing.
What happened?
How?
Doing what?
Climbing these two
What
walls.
happened?
I don't know.
Beanie hat.
I don't know.
What's good?
Same hat.
We're beanie
I just don't know
bros.
how. I don't know how people are climbing this. But I'm actually seeing people on like TikTok or something.
What?
You're
They're lost.
You have sunglasses. Bro, you are not new to this game.
No way.
Yeah, I don't know. I've seen people on TikTok climb up the wall like this. Oh yeah, that stuff is hard. That's called elevator climbing. And I probably
Oh, season.
You mean like this?
Dude, we're not stupid. We know you're not new to the game, idiot.
Wait till flex.
Your
Wait till
game.
flex.
That hurts too much. I hate that.
You know
I'm
what?
just gonna go on top of Stump real quick. I don't think anybody here's gonna care, but
Uh-oh.
Green, I kind of hate to break it to you, but that hiding behind the tree's not working.
It was for like 3 minutes.
Pink.
It's coming.
Oh,
Juked you, motherfucker.
bro.
Just kidding. I have a family-friendly YouTube channel.
What the?
You just got your ankles broken. Oh wait, you don't have any ankles.
I will get you. Bro,
You ankleless wonder.
What?
I'll be right for you. There's three would be doing that.
Dude, cowboy hat is like 2 times better than me.
I'm lagging severely.
Someone can tag with me.
Nothing's going on inside Stump right now. Nothing ever. Yeah, it's Alan Lee.
Hey, it's nice to know.
Loop,
I don't understand this.
loop.
I don't understand how they do the slide glitch.
What's the slide glitch?
You'll get banned if you do it.
You like pull yourself somehow into the slide
You'll
and go
get banned if you
flying.
do it. You'll get banned if you do it. Just tag him.
I haven't got banned yet, so I'm gonna keep that.
No, they just updated it today. I'm not lying.
No, I didn't.
You really are.
I'm not stupid.
Yes, they did.
It would be on the message of the day
Yeah.
or something.
So you go under like this, and then you just pull forward?
Hey, stop teaching them.
I'm not even teaching them. I don't know how to do it myself. Well, I used to.
Somebody teach me how to do the slide glitch.
Come here.
So pretty much all you do is you just do the slide glitch.
Oh my god.
Ah, f you.
Keep on hitting something.
I'm sorry. I'm probably gonna leave.
He's jumping backwards onto a branch.
I dare you.
If he misses, then we're good. So, he missed. We're good.
I'm coming. Of course, he's giving
Go
up
back,
the
go back, go
table,
back,
so
stand
that
back.
was
He's
the-
gonna jump back.
No, I got him.
No, he's gonna war run.
Nice, dude.
You were ready for that.
I know.
Hey, hey, hey.
I need to get back.
Ooh.
Oh god, I thought I was decent at the game.
Yo,
Can I?
Hey, yo. I have a question.
Made me look like
Can I shove my finger up your ass?
There's a guy right there. It's kind of dangerous.
Pink. Oh shoot.
Oh shit.
Time to shove a finger up your booty hole. Booty holes, booty holes. I see a booty hole. Booty You won't get a finger next time. You'll get my whole fist.
I don't like this.
The whole 2 of them.
I'm good, my boy. I'm good.
Good, dude.
You dead. Everybody ready?
No.
Helicopter.
Are you like 8 years old?
Cowboy hat.
Are you 8?
Stretch your arms all the way out. Stretch your arms as far as out you can. No, to the side.
Kidding, Bonnie.
This man's arms are short.
I'm
My
like
arms are tiny.
8, 9. I'm 8, 9.
That's bullshit.
I'm 5'2".
These are my
Apollo's arms are 10 times longer than yours.
These are my arms. So you know.
Why? How are you floating?
Controllers on the ground, bro.
Oh, you use cheats, that's why.
Wait, dude, drop your controllers on the ground.
Oh yeah, that's right. I'm too lazy. Why do you have thumb thingies?
Long arms.
It doesn't make it easier to insert. Oh.
Get away from
Mm.
from this man. Get away!
You're next.
He stinks.
You're next.
Come
Ooh.
here.
Anything to make good YouTube content.
Come here. Bowtie, come here.
I see you.
I'm just gonna, you know.
Ooh.
Hey, yo. Dude, get me away from everything.
You weakling. Meow. Meow.
Holy cow, are you mentally and physically okay?
No. Ooh, sunglass juice.
How do you do that? How do you do that?
Follow me.
On green.
Okay.
No, don't run green.
Dude, I'm so bad at this game.
Someone help! Someone help me! Someone help me! Someone help me!
Alright, so go down to turn
Bro has an escape route for everything.
Okay.
I
and then
swear.
click 9.
If he messes up, he didn't mess up because it's part of his.
Now spin.
routes.
No, spin using your controller. Just hold it down. Oh, no, hold on. What you need to do is you need to go to, click option 2 until it says smooth.
That guy's too. He's too fast.
Now you can do it.
Oh my god.
Nyom.
Can you do like 10?
Yeah.
No, you can't.
He's so
okay, not.
fast.
Oh my gosh.
You can do helicopter. Ready? Watch. Ready? Watch this.
Sal, I feel bad for
Come here.
myself.
Helicopter.
That's so funny.
Helicopter. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Prepare for takeoff. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
Hey monkey, who taught me?
Monkey?
You.
Huh?
I want to show you something. Okay?
Yeah.
So come up here, right?
Touching kids.
I'm gonna teach you how to levitate
Touching kids.
without any mods. No. You come over here.
Oh, you just exit out. I already know how to. You just exit out of Oculus.
Oh. Well.
And I don't want to risk restarting my game on accident.
Smart thing you should do.
No. Oh well, yeah, true, but
Yeah. It's happened to me once before, and I never did it again.
Learn how to run
Helicopter.
on ground because I don't
touch me. Don't touch me.
Up your ass!
Get away from me.
Ooh, monkey juice.
No, use your arms with your wrists.
I smell horny. Hey, buddy, look behind you. Helicopter! Helicopter!
Listen to music.
Run away
It
from
helps.
me. Helicopter.
Yeah, that's
I like helicopter.
as long as the music isn't too serious.
And stay away from this cowboy hat. He'll make you feel slow no matter what.
Seeing as I've gotten him like 3 times already, I don't think so. Helicopter!
So I'm just trying to spin in circles while running.
It's impossible. It'll just keep you in the same place.
Okay, Silver, I'm gonna come pick you now.
Oh, did you? Ew, boy.
You miss me.
God, that's even gayer than me.
Hey, yo, pause.
And I ain't gay.
No. I don't like this. He's too fast. Hey, to this, bro. Oh my gosh, I just got Roger.
Roger, Roger. I Roger your dick in my ass. Woo. Everybody come here and look at my hiding spot. I'm behind treehouse.
Oh, my head's going
We,
down.
we were friends in the first place, but I have no choice.
Nobody will find us.
Ah, damn it.
Helicopter, helicopter.
I love helicopter.
Lol. Hey, does anybody here have Pavlov?
Oh, I do.
It's free.
Oh, I was about to say you want to join a game together, but I can't because I don't know why, but my Rift S just crashes. I can play it for like 15 minutes and then it crashes again.
Break, please.
Hey,
I don't have Rift S.
here,
Probably couldn't.
yeah. Dude, I'm gonna add you as a friend.
Really?
Yes.
I'm so tired. Why? I thought I was your least favorite person here.
What do you mean?
My arm.
Let's see.
What do I have so many
Requests.
friends?
Add a request. Alright, what's your username?
My name is Joe.
F-R-A-Y.
F-R-A-Y.
My arms are so bad.
F-A-M.
Arms.
F-A-M.
6.
Alright, I see you.
Hey, run.
Alright. I sent you a friend request.
Hey, yo.
Rich boy check. Why do I have so many?
Ooh.
Oh, I skinned my hand from hitting the wall.
Huh?
Bro, who? Dude, I skinned my hand from hitting the wall. I can feel it like. I have 0 room right here. Mom. Oh, you.
Sucks to suck dick.
Get away from me, dude. Get away from me. Helicopter.
I'm sweating my brains out. I'm sweating my brains out. Ooh, double suction. Ooh, penetrate. Watch this. Hey, look.
I'm good.
Oh, well, wow.
Helicopter.
You're just mean.
Helicopter.
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 I'm the
Helicopter.
highest helicopter ever. The highest one you can ever get. Oh my gosh.
Saw what?
Fuck.
Actually, you know what? No, I'm gonna go all the way up there. I'm gonna do the highest. I'm gonna do the underbridge thing.
Everybody into the red tree house. Everybody
trap.
into the red tree house.
The trap.
Hey, come here, come on. Hey, shut up. You. Come on. Nobody tells me.
How do you go so fast?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah,
The highest helicopter ever.
Funny run.
You're done.
I did it. You're done.
I almost
I gotta
dicked
get
your
green.
suck.
Don't steal my pink one. Don't steal my
Got him. Let's go. Suck it.
Come here, come here.
Ooh.
No, come here, come
Ooh.
here.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yo, what's going on over here, huh?
Okay.
Come here, baby.
Ah,
I'm gonna turn into a Smurf real quick.
I'm gonna hug a tree. I'm gonna hug a tree.
Square.
Nah, turn into a Smurf.
I can turn into a box.
How? How do you?
Okay, all you have to do is put your hands like this. Put your hands like this. And then look down. Like far. Really far.
let's get out the map.
Okay, put your hands flat like this. There you go. Like that. Boop. I'm box. Ooh, I'm glitching. Woo. Box. I'm surprised we haven't been tagged yet, and I just said that, and he's coming over here, so run.
And there's a lot of monkeys right there. Just being a professional. Trademark on his trademark in his brain.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my god, I hit that so well.
My station battery's already set.
What's up,
Hey, silver VR.
Vine VR lights.
Dude, this is like...
Pull up, guys. Pull up. Oh, there's 0 room right there.
Hop on.
I
Fucking choking me, monster!
Ooh, that's fun. Psych!
Helicopter,
Who wants to
helicopter.
get outside the map?
I don't understand this side glitch.
Okay, come to me.
Me neither.
Dude, but I don't want to like learn. You know that?
Ah, my controller.
Don't you have to go to city for it?
Blue got you.
Sucks going up here because you always have to check your back. Make sure there's nobody chasing you.
For you. I'm gonna make you run too much.
Hiding spot activated.
You're the best beatboxer I've ever heard. No, like factual. Like factual.
See how long it takes till people find me.
How do you get out of the map?
Every monkey wants to get outside the map.
Oh, nuggets. I got caught. Ooh. I'm about to hit like 6 things. Holy crap. Ah, dang it. Oh my gosh, I'm like 2 millimeters away from my wall. Holy crap, dude.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Yes, now you can teach that to everybody.
There's a lava.
Back. Helicopter
Ooh.
is enjoying.
Helicopter, helicopter. Dude, what the heck?
Yeah, I need to learn.
Dude, what the heck?
I don't know how.
Ooh, what the heck, bro? What is happening to me? Can I not, like, do anything anymore? I jumped in real life. Why did I do that? Bro, what? Jeez, holy.
No, you do. You do. You do. No, I don't.
See, the YouTube video captures this in 3rd person. I wish it was 1st person.
I don't even know how to play.
Try to trick anybody. Like, you have a rose and...
Yeah, I'm playing on my friend's account. Hey.
Sure.
Then where's your friend?
You monkey.
Yeah.
Well, he's obviously not here from using his account.
That's one.
Wait, but you just stole his Oculus? Like,
Oh.
come here, bro.
I gotta go.
Dude, what do you mean? Hey.
Dude, Black, I'm chasing you, but I forgot I'm not lava.
Dude, I'm not trying.
Well, Green, now you are.
No, I'm
Thank
not
you.
going close. I'm not. Why did I even try to go close?
No. Okay. Dude, okay. So do you want to talk about this?
Put your hands in the air.
Okay, no, okay, listen.
Oh, dude, we had him hostage. We could have gotten a ransom.
Give me all
God,
your
now we have
shiny
to freaking get rid of the evidence.
Give me your shiny
Fire.
rocks. I'll give you 10,000 rocks. I'll give you 10,000 Better empty them pockets, boy.
Keep speaking, boy.
Get over here. Get over here. Hey.
Aim, snipers, aim,
Hey.
fire.
Oh my gosh.
Do it, my friend.
Actual snipers after you.
Ooh. I am box.
Top hat. Give me all your shiny rocks right now. I want them. Better empty them pockets. Boy, get over here. Get over here.
Better empty that top hat, boy. Better empty that top hat.
Probably got a lot of shiny rocks in there, huh?
I'm back.
Sup, motherfucker?
Get him, bro. Get him.
Cowboy hat monkey. Shiny rocks now. I want
I don't want to deal with that. I don't want to
Give
deal
me your
with
shiny
that.
rocks now.
Just put it in the sled. Just put it in the sled.
Yay!
Get
Woo!
over here. Let me see them shiny rocks, guys. I'm taking them.
Oh my gosh, I'm so itchy.
Someone help. There's a guy with a gun.
There's a guy with a gun. There's a guy with a gun. There's a guy with a gun.
Don't go by purple. Don't go by purple. Do not go by purple. I'm just gonna tell you guys that. Do not go by purple. Stink up the bus. Dude, why do I have to run into the most annoying people?
Okay.
Brennan to
Just gonna hide out for a bit.
Oh no!
Treehouse?
Love you, bro.
I
Maybe you're
better
the one that's
go.
annoyed.
You
Okay.
freaking!
Gotta go.
Hey, Yeet Man.
So you're just gonna let me get bullied like that, huh?
Dude,
I see how it is.
people
I
like
see how it is.
really bad.
What's good?
I wall run 2 times. Someone help, please.
Ow! I uppercutted my table. I uppercutted my
Bro,
table.
what are
So
these
what?
two loud ones?
I'm leaving.
I'm dead. Shit.
I got you both. I got both of them in one tag with one arm.
No.
Sick, dude.
Black.
No.
One arm.
I grabbed
That was the
one.
crime.
One arm, 2 monkeys. I deserve to not be tagged by any pink hats.
Help
Any
me.
pink hats I should not be tagged by.
Help me.
No. Okay, Pete.
Or any cowboys I should be not tagged by
Don't
Benny.
do it. Black, you monster. Black, you monster. No.
See the camera?
Oh,
Don't try to laugh. Gee, why are you fucking the wall, bro? They're trying to fuck the wall. Pink, you're lucky I ran.
Oh, that's saved. He's not behind. Oh, you fell. That's not good.
Pink is so lucky.
I keep on running into it.
Oh no.
It's just
Pink, help me. Purple.
I know this is kind of boring, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Woo! Aww.
Don't do it.
It's so annoying.
Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'm probably gonna play a bit more monkey tag, but
It's not nice to push
not on
people
camera
off
because I don't want to take too much storage space. So
Go.
I will see y'all
Push me off.
in the next
Push me
one.
off there.
Bye.